Gotta go? Did you get the videos and everything? Because the homework will be like in the slides. You need to look at it or watch the last video or something. Okay. So arc length is another thing that you should have spoken about in geometry, right? Arc length means the measurement of one piece of the circumference of the circle. I mean, the circumference goes all the way around. But if I have a central angle measured in degrees of n degrees, then we would say that it's intercepting an arc. And the length of the arc is what we call arc length. So the way we calculate it is you multiply the whole circumference by the fraction of the circle that n degrees represents. And since it's 360 degrees to go around the whole circle, then n over 360 is the fraction of the circle with that central angle. And the formula for circumference is 2 pi r, right? That's an old formula that we should know, 2 pi r. Now, what do you think happens to the arc length when the radius changes? It's got to change with the radius, right? If you put in a bigger radius, you're going to get bigger arc length. If you put in a smaller radius, you're going to get a smaller arc length. You get more chance in this next slide. If we define our radius equals 1, okay, set your circle so that it has a radius equal to 1, then whatever that arc length is that's being intercepted, that's called the radian measure of the angle. Right? So radian measure is the length of the arc when the radius of the circle is 1. Now, when the radius of the circle is 1, it's called a unit circle. Unit stands for 1. Okay, so this here, unit circle, because r equals 1. Now, if the formula for the circumference is 2 pi r, what's the circumference when r equals 1? 2 pi. So how far is it to go all the way around the circle one time? 2 pi. Instead of 360 degrees, 2 pi radians. Right? 360 degrees equals 2 pi radians.